guys, I'm gonna try to give you a little. Now we're up in the cemetery, obviously, and this is super steep. I'm just trying to do the best illustration I can. See, we're in high range. Let me go to low. As always, this never. I hate saying that, it never does justice, but truly it doesn't. Man, that just looks like a little uphill. That is, there's level. Here is level. We're already, my side by side is at a wicked angle sloped right now. It's hard to tell you how it is, but we're already, my front end's up like this sitting here, and that goes extremely steep. But that's nowhere near the steep part. So, just as soon as we started up, how high we are already. So it goes straight up because we do a lot of climbing in a very short period of time. Right here, another trail going, and then the trail goes on around, and that circles around by the house, comes back out down at the garden. Here we are going on that. Spinning right there. Give you an indication, guys, the hood right there is almost at my eye level. I mean, we're traveling steep. It's hard. I'm not going to try holding the camera because I have to have two hands and be, like that old country song used to say, stand on it. I've got to be floored. But right here's where it turns, and it absolutely right here goes straight up. Right here, that hood is at my eye level, maybe a little above my eye, the front of that. So, and then it just goes straight up from there. As you can see, I mean, gives you an idea how steep it is. We'll try to crawl just a second. And no, it's a no-go. You have to, and this is dry. This is super dry. So and it just slides backwards. I mean, anybody's got one of these UTVs knows how steep it's got to be with all four tires digging, and it just sitting here and sliding backwards. So these are all brand new tires. This one I was talking about, a four-wheeler would flip right here. There's no doubt a four-wheeler would flip if it spun out. So anyway, this is like I said, that right there is me looking at it level. I'm looking under the hood to be level. It's steep. I used to have a 6x6 Polaris 6x6 to give you an indication, and that's what I made the trail with. I actually made the trail with a track hoe, but the 6x6, and it's not even wanting to turn. That's just how It's just sliding. It's not even letting me turn. But a 6x6 had to be moving on to get up through here. You couldn't slow down with the 6x6. See, it's just extremely slick, and or not slick, but steep. So we'll get her done eventually. I might have to get a track co back out here and probably just have to. See, it's not letting me. It ain't letting me turn. There we go. That's what I was saying. It's all manageable up through here until you get to this part right here, and then that is absolutely straight up. But anyway, we'll get it. This level. Just letting you see a little bit of the trails we got on the property, and trying out the new 570 on our trails with my new quiet mods that I've done to it. So just stay tuned for more episodes of the little 570 in the woods. Hey guys, well, as you can see, we made it up here at the top of our property. And we are on top of the mountain. And the side-by-side came up fairly easy once I hit it at about, 8 to 10 miles an hour and had some momentum and kept up that same momentum all the way up through there. It'll come on, but it's not easy. You just gotta hammer on it, and like I said, it is steep, but we did make it. And I still got my everything's still real good and quiet. So I still probably gonna put a car exhaust on it as well, just to get it the best I can get it. I can probably put a cheap $25, $30 car exhaust on right there and weld it up, mock it, and put it in there real good. And it's gonna be way less restrictive than that piece of stainless I have in that pipe, and be even quieter. So that's probably what I'll do. But for right now, that helps with that popping. So anyway, like, share, and subscribe if you would, if you want to. If you don't want to, still do it. Anyway, I'll get a little video coming down. Not that you can tell how steep it is, but I'm standing on the brake